everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Neha. So today I am back with yet another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of MySQL series, I have discussed about how to use subquery in from clause. You can check the video from the above I button. Today, I am going to discuss about how to use subquery with joins. So, without any further delay, let's get started. Subquery with joins. A subquery can be used in conjunction with a join in MySQL to filter or retrieve data in a structured way, though a standard join is often more efficient. You can check a subquery in the from clause, treating it as a temporary table, or in the where clause to filter the results of the join based on the subquery's output. For instance, a subquery can be used to pre-process data such as calculating an average, and then that result can be joined with another table. Subquery in the from clause. This approach creates a derived table that can be joined with another table. Syntax: select t1.column1, t2.column2 from table 1 t1, join within bracket subquery, select columnX, columnY from table 2 where columnZ equals to value as subquery alias on t1.column1 equals to subquery alias dot columnX. The subquery select columnX, columnY from table 2 where columnZ equals to value is executed first. Then its results are given an alias, subquery alias, and treated as a temporary table. This temporary table is then joined with table 1. Subquery in the where clause. This method uses the result of a subquery to filter rows from a join. Syntax: select t1.column1, t2.column2 from table 1 t1, join table 2 t2 on t1.column1 equals to t2.column1, where t1.column3 in within bracket select column A from table 3 where condition equals to true. The join between table 1 and table 2 is performed first. The where clause then filters the join results, keeping only those rows where t1.column3 exists in the list of column A, values returned by the subquery within bracket select column A from table 3 where condition equals to true. Let's apply this with some examples. Today I am using two tables, student, new student under student underscore 8. Query is to extract names of students whose section is A along with their location. So the query will be select roll number section from new student where section equals to A. This will be the subquery. This subquery extracts roll number of students in section A. Now the outer query will be select s.name, s.location, s.roll number where s and ns are alias for student and new student table, ns.section from student s, inner join within bracket the subquery that we mentioned above, then ns is the alias for new student on s.roll number equals to ns.roll number. Joining subquery with the student table on roll number returns Ravi and Raj along with their location and section. That's it for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.